Hello, scrappers. Got the load ready to go. I think I got 15 riders on this thing, and then some other stuff, a bunch of bodies from push mowers. So I got it ready to go. Haven't even started it up yet, but I got a guy coming after a barrel here. Said he'd be here at 10:30, so 20 minutes. Kind of cold and windy out here. So, a little windy. I think 11 mile an hour wind, something like that out of the north. So I told my wife I'd stick around. That way she didn't have to go out and take care of the guy with the barrel. So I was going to use the other camera, but that wind, I thought, no, I'll get a bunch of wind noise on there, so I figured better not. So I get this load in here in a little bit, and then get back. Then I got to run to the station and get 5 gallons of diesel for the tractor. It's getting low, getting hungry, thirsty. So, and then I'll start pulling those refrigerators out of the field and bring them up here. I think I have three of them down there, I think. And then a couple little bitty chest freezers. Get them up here. Try the Pepsi machine, and then I got that commercial fridge over there. That thing. And then I think behind it I got that dresser unit that came from Sonic. Get that on there. Probably this little pile right here. And probably bring some push mowers up and pull the motors off of them and get a few of them on there, fill in the holes. And then after that I'll start bringing riders up again. Of course I can't take a load next Monday. That's Christmas Day, so yeah. But I'll try to load what I can through the week. They're talking rain Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, so yeah, I've been out here for 20 some years, and now I'm seeing houses on my skyline. They've destroyed my skyline. You see how they are? Building all these houses around me. What can a guy do? Move further out in the country? I got too much stuff out here to move. I had a lot when I moved in out here, but I got probably 10 times that now, so. Yep. Anyway, I'll dress warm. I think the high today is supposed to be 50. So I need to get in and clean up a bunch of this stuff. I just got some antennas and that air compressor, pressure unit. Get the motor off of that. Strip that thing down. Got to get the motor and compressor off that thing and cut the tank in half for short iron. Probably a good copper bearing motor there. Anyway, I'm just kind of rattling. So, but yeah, I'd like to get this antenna dish is all aluminum. I'd like to get all this cleaned up out of here and then maybe try to shuffle some of this stuff back. But then again, we're trying to keep it open where we get in and out of that trailer easy. Yeah, I can throw these rims on this next load. The lawnmower body's aluminum, so I got to get it cleaned up. Cast aluminum. I got a bunch of other casts out in that horse trailer that's ready to go. So I'm going to get off here for now, and we'll pick this up a little later. So, see you in a bit. Okay, scrappers, we're back from the scrapyard. Yeah. You can see we had 5,420 pounds at $7.50 a hundred for a total of $406.50. $3 more than last week. I'm happy with it. And had 11 riders on there, plus a lot of bodies and handles from push mowers and a little bit of other stuff on there, shoved in there where I could find a hole. So I'm happy with that. I was thinking maybe 300. Next load will probably be a little lighter because I'm going to put those refrigerators on there, get them out of here, and then try to fill it out with riders and push mowers. Probably won't take it in Monday because that's Christmas Day. But hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment if you wish. And I want to remind everybody about my Amazon affiliate page. There'll be a link in the description below the video. Got lots of tools and consumables, you know, cutting discs, stuff like that. Sawzall blades. So gonna run down and get some diesel for the tractor. The wife wants to run into town, which I got to put some gas in the Colorado. So gonna do a little bit of running. Then I got a guy coming by about 3:30 for a barrel. It's about 1 o'clock now, so I try to get around and get it done. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So happy scrapping, folks. And if I don't, well, I know I'll get another video out between now and then, but if you don't stop back by the channel between now and Christmas, I want to wish everybody that you know, a Merry Christmas, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.